Something's been off lately, not just in the world, but in you. Ever since 2020, things haven't been the same. The world got quieter, slower, and somehow duller. The colors drain out of everyday life. And whether you admit it or not, a part of your spark did too. Every new year comes and goes, and we all chant the same tired mantra. Next year is MY year. You said it in 2023. You whispered it in 2024. And guess what? You'll say it again in 2025, unless you finally force it to be. This isn't a motivational speech. This isn't hype. Motivation is like caffeine, a quick hit, then you crash. I'm not here to give you that. I'm here to give you something better, clarity, strategy, and a metaphorical slap in the face. You don't need more hype. You need a system. Look, I'm not trying to roast you. I know you've been trying. Maybe you started a workout plan and gave up after 2 weeks because life got busy. Maybe you set goals. I want to be better. Better at what? Breathing? You've been doing that since birth. Here's the truth. You're not failing because life is unfair. Even though, yes, it is, you're failing because you're waiting. Waiting for life to align with your mood. Waiting for your vibe to magically manifest results. But life doesn't bend for you. You bend for your goals. And the first thing you need to bend? Your time. Let's talk time. You say you don't have time, but you had 3 hours to scroll TikTok. You had time to rewatch a comfort show for the 4th time. You had time to lie in bed, overthinking how little time you have. You have time. You're just bad at using it. Let's break it down. 24 hours in a day. 8 for sleep if you're lucky. 8 for work or school. 2 for eating, errands, being human. You got 6 hours left. What are you doing with them? If you don't have an answer without stuttering, there's your first clue. We live in the most resource-rich era of human history. You can learn to code, edit, build a business, master design, speak better, write sharper, all from your phone. You have free access to world-class platforms. YouTube, Coursera, Skillshare, ChatGPT, TikTok, yes, if you follow the right people. So why are you still scrolling instead of studying? Your phone is a tool. But if you treat it like a toy, don't be surprised when your life starts feeling like a joke. Even the best tools are useless without something critical, a plan. Saying, I want to save money sounds nice. But are you budgeting, tracking expenses, automating savings, or just hoping your bank account surprises you like a Monday morning pop quiz? Same goes for fitness. Same goes for learning. Same goes for every single goal you claim to care about. Goals without systems are just wishes. Systems are what get you to the gym when you don't feel like it. They're what make you study when no one's watching. They're the boring stuff that builds extraordinary outcomes. Meal prep, study calendars, workout routines, daily progress tracking. Winners don't win because they're motivated. They win because they've got a boring, unshakable system. Let's be honest. Most of success is not fun. It's waking up early when you'd rather sleep. It's saying no to parties so you can build something. It's repeating boring reps while no one's cheering. The grind isn't meant to be fun. It's meant to be effective. But here's the good news. The grind doesn't have to look like it did in 1995. We've evolved. So should your hustle. We've got AI, automation, creator tools, global markets, and endless tutorials. We live in a world where you can earn and learn from anywhere. Ignorance is now a choice. Want to make money? The internet is your playground. Want to learn anything? Public speaking, editing, writing, heck, even flirting? Google it. You're not stuck because of a lack of resources. You're stuck because of a lack of initiative. Let's get something straight. Watching videos like this isn't progress. It's preparation at best. But if you never act on it, it's just entertainment. You don't need more podcasts. You need more execution. You don't need more quotes. You need more consistency. You can either scroll through other people's success, or you can build your own. Work-life balance is cute in theory, but if you want something badly enough, you're going to have to let other things slide. Not forever, but for now. You can't cram your goals into the corners of your life. They need to be the centerpiece. If your dreams don't scare your
So
schedule,
here's the question
they
that
won't
matters
shake
most.
your reality. Are you really trying or just dabbling? Because there's a big difference between effort and sustained effort. One gives you motivation. The other gives you transformation. Let's be real. If you're not where you want to be, is it because life is unfair? Or is it because you're not fully in? You say you want results, but you're putting in half the effort. That's like planting a seed and forgetting to water it, then blaming the weather. I'm not perfect, far from it, but I'm the sharpest, strongest version of myself I've ever been because I stopped waiting for my moment and started making it. So now I ask you, what's stopping you from doing the same? This isn't a motivational video. It's a mirror, a reminder. 2025 isn't going to be your year. You're going to make it your year. Or you're not. That's your choice. The world might still be gray. But you're still here. You're still breathing. And you're still capable of repainting everything, starting with yourself. So are you in? Or are we going to have this same exact conversation next year? You tell me.